start now until half, every 30 seconds.
Cioè, già pensavo che io le iba a scrivere, ai sì, veámonos, no sé qué.
I didn't know that. So there's no way. So there's no way you could Santa Maria Fireworks Factory.
Santa Maria.
I think this is the night.
Mr. büyük olursun.
Trash cans.
Grazzi, sezione Santa Maria tal-Imqabba.
I hope so.
اشتاقت لمساسه عينك دلعت mankina Irwieħ kollha tħaħen jilqgħu kax-xogħol Tista' ssib fjura fil-kantina Kien kaħlani ġej mill-jukebox Għajnejn jixelu tortolina Nixtieq li tarani nixtrilek rock Tajt se nsib fjura fil-kantina Li tixtieq tiġi lura Lejfer sinxir minn kliem l-artal L-ommu l-missier ta' żewġ titfal F'ambjent qaddis ta' żmien għażiż Fejn tixel xemx għalina tnejn Bħal-fjur ta' ġbien taħt dawn ħamin Qatt ma jitbir minkejja snin Kien hemm jien u kien hemm żmien u kellna żgħar Qatt ma naf li rid taħjar X'kien mar ħażin għax telqet mill-ġartejn Tal-ħolm li bnejna tnejn flimkien Nsiet is-sar fil-kantina Marret fil-kantina Marret fil-kantina Viva Malta u l-Maltin Din l-artit tal-qalbenin Din l-art ħelwa kollha xemx Żgur fid-dinja bħala m'hemmx Ejjew ngħidu Viva Malta Malta u l-Maltin Għandi l-art aħna nagħmlu kollox Kollox u mill-qalb Viva din l-art L-art tal-Maltin
Thank you.
Are they good?
Yeah, if I buy them from my home, I buy like the big ones. Because then it's not only 60% there, maybe only 20% there. But these are actually kind of cheap. So like the cheapest one is 70 cents. Yeah, but today it was 70 cents. In the store where I get the nice bread. If you want it.
I 400 euros.
Yeah, just with salt. But it's not.
All in.
Just so. Yeah. shit, and Terry was.
Ja, ja.
Yeah, it won a Camino. And some saltiness, so you are my character.
For sure. I don't just one.
You can eat more when
It's not good. Every
I
time
don't know
I
because I don't play that.
Yeah, but
when you get fat. And when you get fat.
yeah, exactly.
The thing is, like, with women to drink more alcohol demands more fat. So it's like a double circle.
7 out of 10. It's a better rate.
So tomorrow again. Yeah,
Today is our last day. It's our last day in Malta. It's a special occasion.
True.
No, that's nothing to do with it. But like, when I said,
But when we need to get a hotel, which is cute and is fair.
Yeah, but it's gonna be for me.
I know it better than simple.
And I will be working.
Wow.
My student life is over then. But we can see us in 5 years when Magdalena is finished.
Thank you. Every 5 years, you must. Come on, it would be cool together at Airbnb.
1 hour.
I'm not sure if Sarah would. Not sure if Sarah would allow it. And she has the pets on, so I can't do anything. She doesn't give a shit.
I can fucking hit the key. See,
So, but she's like. I just think she doesn't trust me.
It seems so amazing.
Like, she was here with me every day. She's like, you're hanging out with them again.
But she knows us.
I mean, for her, I think it's like bad when I like hang out with women every day. It's not my fault. Oh, the police. So I'm not sure if she's like really bad or just want to like annoy me with it. But I think if I would say to her like I would go on a trip 2 days with you and we get an Airbnb, I think I mean she can't say no. She wouldn't let me. Maybe find an apartment in Germany, in Berlin or Frankfurt or Cologne or even Prague. We can do it.
I'm not sure about the Prague thing, but yeah. Then I rather
But you can show us the instance.
But I don't know that. I'm not from Prague.
You have a network? I don't know any Czech. Only you and Terry. So you want me to ask Terry? Yeah?
You can come to the Valentine's.
Yeah, the problem is the traffic there is bad. But maybe if you're like one time with your family in Germany.
They live in Wolfsburg, not in Berlin. Yeah, but Wolfsburg
Yeah,
is
but
pretty
even
close
Wolfsburg,
to-
I would go to Wolfsburg for you. That's commitment. Because I never
Wolfsburg is
go
like
there.
an hour away by train for me, so I would
For
come
me,
to
it
Wolfsburg.
depends where I'm living at that moment. 2 or 3 hours.
Yeah, exactly. Kind of random.
Actually, there was like a time when like there was like no particular reason, but randomly like 5 of 6 ECAs didn't stop at Wolfsburg in like 1 week, and it was like a real meme. Hafna Samia. Actually, there's like a cringe girl in my class. I think she has many friends. It's like an emo in one person. The next time I see her, I will say Hafna Samia, and then she will probably hit me. Huh? No, I meant like when she gets a compliment. Not to like troll her. Like,
If you mean it nicely, then
I would say it in a friendly way, and
can say
if
it.
no one is around, so it doesn't feel
Bueno, ya nos vemos mañana a las 7:30, ¿ya?
Actually, I think even if there's no firework, it's still a nice spot to hang out. We can also go like, maybe not next week, but like maybe if it's a bit warmer, get some drinks. Maybe we can bring some things to mix. And we can make a pizza, and then we get berries, like frozen ones, and lily. And we make wild berry lily here.
That's my favorite.
I know. I don't know. I don't know. I just said it.
I think we were talking. Yeah, at some point we were talking about that, and I tried to explain it. But I know what it is because I tried it in Germany.
Actually, like last time we drank it, it was in Frankfurt actually, and it was like a cheap one. So like we really went to the Reben, got the ice one, and it looked so ugly, but it was nice.
But one time at my cousin's 18th birthday, I think, we were celebrating with the family, like, and me and my brother bought Lulu, and we shared it. So, and like after some hours, the bottle was empty because my brother was just drinking, and I took some drinks too, but he was so drunk. But somehow my family was drinking, and they thought I drank the whole bottle on the image, and they were like, "Oh, you can drink it, right?"
But I remember on that day actually, I didn't remember, but now I remember again. I think on that day I mixed like half of an Absolute vodka flask afterwards, and I already drank like half of Lily because with no one. And that was the day when I was so drunk and came and didn't recognize my name and like slept with the door open. Sarah is
Is she coming?
she sent me like 20 different styles.
But she good. This message was Sarah.
She also 26. She's 28.
No way. My sister.
I think she's staying until her 15th. But then she isn't coming on a Sunday because the Sunday is her 14th.
Yeah, my sister
And
is
I
coming
think-
from 10.
Yeah. one of them was like I think it's just €2. How much? Yeah, that's fine. If for like 2017, whenever.
No. It's kind of, I mean, it's something.
We had the guys, what up? Oh, we had to go long. Dodgy to Delphi now.
For €9. It's okay. Even my cheap bitch says that. But not in every book.
I saw some check dumping is actually.
But it's
I have to ask Mariana if it's true, but I saw some videos.
But actually
They
also in
all
Germany, so quality is good, but there are like some characters. So there's like one guy, he's a good guy with all the robots, but he's like also Ben Stiller. So it's like really weird because in the book he's like a small shit. And it's like
Which I checked
Yeah.
always original.
Yeah, it's kind of.
Even if it's Spanish, I watch it original, even though I don't understand. Then I take subtitles, but I hate subtitles. So if it's not English, Spanish, or German, then
I love subtitles. I always
I hate it because it disturbs me.
try to concentrate really, so if I have like double subtitles, it's like, yeah.
I mean, in Czech films, not but English for sure.
Because I think Netherlands and like Norway was really, they don't have
I
like.
only have subtitles.
But I mean, it's also good because
I think there's a study with subtitles dramatically improve language skills. That's why it's on YouTube. It's like at some point they had it like always on.
Yeah. But they are kind of shitty sometimes.
But actually, like the good ones, they put a transcript on. This is famous finance people. Actually, we should make fun because our current president, Kanzler, is always talking about Deutschlandgeschwindigkeit. Deutschlandgeschwindigkeit or something. When we built the LNG terminals, he said something. And he's like,
There are some memes going
he also said something like with a bazooka.
for the memes.
Financial bazooka. Die macht richtig Bums.
did you see the video?
Can you show us the newspaper about you?
I will show it. This is something you can eat. It will evaporate in like 3 minutes.
First day they were fishes now. Yeah, they are dead.
Too much bang.
Actually, they died.
I don't have. I can show it on the way back.
Fishes are not here anymore. So, this last time there was
Like this koi.
they killed them all. That sucks. Okay.
Maybe this is not anymore something with fishes. We are now metal collectors. We probably have like so much magnesium and natrium and gallium from a fight. And the fishes eat. And imagine like when they fight you with like real cannons, like sea battles, like how loud it
Yeah.
will be.
It looks they are finished.
This is what I mean. Imagine like how scared you would be, especially like if you're like in the middle age, you don't know, everything was fake. Karma, because no cars, no. You hear like these bangs, probably may only hear it if there's like a storm, lightning.
Yeah, imagine.
incredible how you can.
With the
Allt får ni jävligt svart min Kipsaurukiem mandische Sissin sorry you say it Why it yashuma kuris Bahari kada ramait Ilek inde yevaseit
Can we give them another round of applause?
Now everybody, big round of applause to all those involved in this Malta International Firework Festival. Thank you so much for all the tourists that are here today. Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much. Sorry. Irridu ringrazzjaw l-Gruda TV li wassalna dan kollu fid-djar. Grazzi għal-jom.
Verament, gran final kif għandu jkun.
Għaddej minni, għana xina rridu nirringrazzjaw.
Bil-fors.
You enjoyed it? The whole summer like this.
Selu għal Lionel,
Grazie minn qalbna, grazie.
Grazie minn għal. Wasalna biex nikkonkludu. Kollox fidej Mario għalla ħar kelma.
Aħna ser nħallu namlu appuntament. Għas-sena diħla biex jgħet konna bicċa xogħol ħaddi isbaħ minn din is-sena. Narawkom is-sena diħla.
Malta tourists, see you all next year. Please come back to Malta. Have a good night. Bye-bye.
Facebook or something. There's some